Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should have the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and as you can say, or rather see, Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, and all of the calls and notifications will be silenced. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on this icon again. As you can see, Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. You can also set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, basically when it turns on automatically and turns off automatically. To do it, we need to open the settings. So let's swipe downwards from the top of the screen, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, select the option called Do Not Disturb, and here, if you want to enable the Do Not Disturb normal way, simply tap on the all day, or rather switch next to the all day option, then tap the check mark, and now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, tap on the switch again. If you want to enable or create a schedule for it, enable the schedule option by tapping the switch, tap the check mark, and now you can scroll down and we have start and end. Let's tap on start first, and this is the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. And you can set it by swiping up and down on the screen. Let's set it to something like 10:30 maybe. Scroll down like this, then tap OK to confirm, then tap on end, and this is the hour on which it's gonna be turning off. And I'm gonna set it to, for example, 6:30. Like this. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.